Alright, so before we get started, I want to be completely transparent. Firefield sent me the scope for free. They haven't paid me. It is not sponsored by them. There is no money exchanging hands. I told them I was going to be completely unbiased with it. I was going to mount it, zero it, go try and break it, and see if it will actually hold zero. And it did. The Firefield Barrage, right here. So it's a rifle scope. It's 2.5 to 10 power. It's got red and green light illuminators for the reticle inside, and for a 100 to 500 range shot, it's got a on the top knob you can adjust it. So obviously if you're zeroed at 100 and then you want to switch to 300, you just crank it over to the number 3. So you've got your standard windage and elevation. Like I was saying, there's numbers on the back. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. Focus. And then you can adjust on this side. It's got the illuminator for red or green. During a bright day, you don't need the indicator on. You can see the reticle just fine. Obviously in low light or night conditions, you can turn it on. Now it's shock proof, fog proof, and it says waterproof. I don't know about the waterproof part. I'd say water resistant. I wouldn't take it underwater. Shock proof, I put that one to the test. So what we did, or what I did, is took this down to the range, got a good zero on it, packed up everything, unloaded the weapon, walked down to the private range, which you guys usually see in the videos, and, well, take a look what I did. Here. There you go. As you can see, I didn't just drop it on grass, but I also dropped it on the gravel. And then I threw the gun. Just in case the drop test wasn't good enough for everyone. I threw it as far as I could. It probably went a good 6 to 8 feet. Bounced around, and when that was all said and done, obviously, you can see where I'm picking off dirt and everything. Brushed it off. Obviously it's all scratched up. Actually dented the hood right up here, and brought it right back up here to check zero. Set everything back up and made no adjustments. Got behind it and drilled 3 rounds right into the bullseye. One more time. just like I did before I went and dropped it. So the shock proof, I'd stand by it. Now most of you aren't going to be running around jumping out of helicopters, rappelling down buildings and everything, but in your day-to-day activities with this particular rifle scope, at the range, taking it out of the safe, in and out of the case, obviously you're going to bump it around, bang it around, so you don't have to worry about knocking your zero off. If you guys are looking for a decent rifle scope, get the biggest bang for your buck, go to Firefield, check them out. I'm going to put them in the description below. Look, it's a good optic. It's just that simple. You can't go wrong. Alright, so go ahead and put in the comments, tell me what you guys think, if you have any questions, or if you just think I'm full of it, which some of you guys did from the last video. But I don't care about you naysayers. Spoiler alert. I don't give a Alright, so obviously you guys put all your comments in the comment section below. Let's start a discussion. Let me know if you've tried a Firefield or if you're interested in one. Ask your questions. Give me ideas on if you want me to get anything else out of their catalog. But like always, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the trail.